Yeah. Now let's start understanding frozen set collection. What is frozen set and uh, compared to set, what are its advantages? First, set collection is a mutable. Mutable means changeable. If you create a set with values, values, if you create a set with values initially, later you can add elements, you can remove elements, remove elements. This is possible with set. Coming to frozen set, if you create a frozen set with collection of values, if you create a frozen set with collection of values, what happens is you cannot add elements, you cannot remove elements. Frozen set is immutable. Once you create frozen set with collection of values, it is fixed. You cannot remove, you cannot add elements into frozen set. Other than that, there is no difference between set and frozen set. Okay, let me discuss how to remove elements into set. We have a predefined function for remove elements. Let me write. See here, I'm creating one set with 5 values. I'm printing entire set. Then later, I'm printing, I'm removing one element. Then again, I'm printing set. If you observe here, first we have 5 elements. After removing one element, set contain only 4 elements. So set we can change. So set is mutable, means changeable. Coming to frozen set is immutable. One important to note in frozen set we cannot create directly. First we have to create a set. From set we have to create a frozen set. Let's see here. So first we create a set, then we convert frozen set to frozen set. See here. First I am creating a set and I am printing type of this one. Then frozen set function, we pass set, it will create a frozen set. To confirm that one, I'm using type of fs. It is going to print class frozen set. Class frozen set. Now I can confirm frozen set we can create from set. We cannot create a frozen set directly. Next one thing. Frozen set is immutable. We cannot remove elements. Let's try to remove elements using fs dot remove. Then it gives left and right saying, "Hey Sreenivas, this is a frozen set. You cannot remove." Frozen set object has no attribute to remove. It means you cannot remove elements from frozen set. Clear, right, Tim? Okay.